Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making taco hash brown skillet. Alright guys, I'm starting out a large skillet and I'm browning up roughly about a pound of ground beef. And I'll drain off the excess grease when this is done browning. Okay, now my ground beef is browned up and I drained off the excess grease. I'm using already diced up garlic in a jar. I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons. If you use fresh, dice up 2 cloves of garlic. You just want to allow that to fry in with your ground beef for a few minutes. I have my heat turned off because the cast iron really holds heat, so this here will help fry that in there with the power being off. Okay, while my ground beef and my garlic hangs out over here together for a few minutes, mingling, getting to know each other, in a large bowl, I'm going to put in 1 10.5 ounce can of Campbell's cream of cheddar soup. Now, I don't know of any other brand that makes a cream of cheddar, but unless you live in the backwoods in the Amazon jungle, you can pretty much find Campbell's soups in your area. So we're going to get that down in there. And guys, it's a quick skillet meal for a weeknight when you work all day. I'm going to add in a pack of taco seasoning mix. And I'm going to add in a cup of taco cheese. We're going to give that a mix quick to get that all mixed together. And you'll see how easy and how quick this comes together. I'm talking about the whole skillet meal, not just the mixture here. Now I have a 30-ounce pack of frozen hash browns, the shredded ones. I'm going to get them down in that cheese mixture, and this is why I'm using a large bowl, because you want extra room, enough room for your stuff. And I'm just going to go ahead and stir this all together. Let me break up this big piece. Stir this all together till I get it blended. Alright, now that I have that all mixed together, I'm going to dump that in with the ground beef. Now, if you don't have a large skillet, you can transfer this all over to a greased 9x13 baking pan at this point. That'll work just fine. I want to scrape all this goodness out the bottom. And I'm just going to spread this out evenly over the ground beef. Now, as this cooks or bakes in the oven, that cheese will melt, these hash browns will melt down and cook, and the flavors will blend together more evenly. Okay, now last of all, I'm going to put more of that taco cheese on top. Now I'm going to put this in a 425-degree oven for 25 minutes to 30 minutes till the cheese melts and those hash browns cook. Alright guys, this is done. It just came out of the oven. It went for 25 minutes. You can see how the cheese is all nice and melted and golden brown, and the hash browns are starting to brown up. Now I'm going to finish this up by garnishing with a little bit of chopped up green onion. Just spread it around on there. Alright guys, this is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Guys, if you do the sour cream scene, you can go ahead and put some on there, but I don't like sour cream, so we're not going to add that. Let me get in here and give this a try. It's going to be hot, cheesy. It's really cheesy. Hash browns are nice and tender. Taste that taco seasoning, then we get a little bit of beef here too. That's really delicious guys, and it was really easy. Alright, there you have it. Taco hash brown skillet. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.